Malaking realization ang nangyari sa amin nung COVID pandemic. Di lang dahil naging delikado ang magkasakit, lalong naging stressful ang buhay ng mga tao. Mas marami ring naging health conscious. Marami rin nawalan ng trabaho at that time. That's why we thought of this business to cater to both those who want to stay healthy and those who want to sell high-quality wellness products. Actually, kasi dati din, I used to be very overweight. Borderline obese pa nga, many years ago. So, naging practice ko na rin na maging healthy. Naisip ko what better business to take on where I can benefit myself. Pinili namin na mabuti kung ano yung magandang produkto na makaka-counter sa nakakahina ng katawan. Fulgent Wellness was established in the middle of the COVID pandemic and we chose our products to focus on maintaining body wellness for many people. Unfortunately, nung panahon ng Delta, kabansagan ng COVID, isa sa mga business partners ko tinamaan. Na ICU siya, twice intubated, tumagal siya sa ospital ng halos 2 buwan. Some of our products actually helped in his recovery to the surprise of his doctors. Matatag ang commitment namin to provide high-quality food supplements and products and as well as yung rewarding compensation plan para sa lahat ng members namin. Whether they're consumers, sellers, or product endorsers. Patuloy kami sa pag-expand at improve ng mga learning programs para sa aming mga affiliates upang makatulong sa kanilang negosyo with us. Definitely, we will carry more products as well as incentives in the future. Kasama na doon ang local at international travel incentives para sa aming top affiliates. We will continue to enhance our technology and services to help our affiliates do business with us. I can guarantee both our current and future affiliates that we will continue to innovate with them in mind.